In the freezing Antarctic winter, where temperatures drop to 60 degrees, one father makes the ultimate sacrifice. Meet the emperor penguin, the best dad in the animal kingdom. While the mother goes off to feed, the father balances their single egg on his feet, shielding it from the brutal cold with a built-in belly pouch. For 2 whole months, he eats nothing, just waiting, protecting, and keeping the chick warm. But with climate change threatening their icy home, how much longer can these legendary fathers survive?